Expedited removal is a process that an immigration officer can take you outside of the United States without giving you any sort of hearing, without allowing you a chance to defend yourself if they find that you have entered the country without documents and you've been here less than 2 years, or you find yourself in less than 100 miles, air miles, from a US border. And just to let you know, many large cities, even those inside the United States, as far as Chicago, are inside of 100 miles of a US border. The entire state of Florida is inside 100 miles of the US border. For that reason, what can you do to protect yourself? Because CBP does have the right to go to train stations, bus stations, and stop you in a public place in random car checks if you're within those 100 miles. First, you need to have proof that you came in lawfully, that you have any sort of status if it applies, and then if you don't, that you have at least 2 years inside the country. So that could be a picture, it could be a document from like a bank statement that shows you've been here at least 2 years. If that doesn't apply to you, then another exception that could help you is if you are afraid to return to your country, you should ask them to talk to an asylum officer so that you can establish a credible fear of return to your country, and then they will allow you to defend yourself in deportation proceedings as to why you cannot be sent back to your country. Hope this helps.